Good day, viewers, and welcome to Dialogue with Donna. On the last episode, I was joined by Senator the Honourable Alison West, Minister of Public Administration, as she informed us about the ministry's TT Wi-Fi initiative and how you, the citizens of Trinidad and Tobago, will benefit from free Wi-Fi in public spaces. On today's episode, I want to give you a national update on COVID-19, formerly known as the novel coronavirus, and what is being done by the Ministry of Health in an effort to effectively treat confirmed cases and stop it from spreading. Trinidad and Tobago has, unfortunately, joined the growing list of countries that have confirmed the presence of COVID-19. It is now extremely important that we all adhere to the guidelines given by the Ministry of Health and all official international bodies, such as the World Health Organization and the Pan-American Health Organization. The Ministry of Health has placed travel restrictions on certain countries. All persons who are not citizens or permanent residents of Trinidad and Tobago and have visited any of these restricted countries within a 14-day time period of their arrival in Trinidad and Tobago will not be allowed entry at any of Trinidad and Tobago's ports of entry. Trinidad and Tobago citizens and permanent residents who have visited any of those countries within a 14-day time period of their arrival in Trinidad and Tobago will be allowed to land at any of our Trinidad and Tobago's ports of entry, but will be quarantined at home or at a dedicated health facility based on the assessment by the attending health official. Persons who are quarantined at home will be placed under the supervision of medical professionals and security personnel. They will be given a detailed explanation of the quarantine process and required to sign legal documentation that they understand what the process is and that they are willing to comply. Detailed instructions will be given as to what the self-quarantine process entails. Health officials will be in contact with these persons on a daily basis and in some cases will make visits. Persons who are displaying symptoms will be quickly taken from the port of entry directly to an isolation facility to be tested for the COVID-19 virus. It should be noted that all of our hospitals are prepared to address COVID-19 with personal protective equipment stock for hospital staff. The public is also advised that the Caribbean Public Health Agency has the only lab that is certified to test samples of COVID-19 and therefore is the only lab that can confirm positive or negative results of samples. Let us all work together to ensure our own personal protection by practicing good hygiene. Wash your hands properly with soap and water. Use an alcohol-based sanitizer if soap and water are not available. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when you cough or sneeze and dispose of the tissue immediately after. Avoid touching your face. Stay at home if you are ill and avoid close contact with persons who display flu-like symptoms. As part of the national drive to safeguard the health of the Trinidad and Tobago population in the face of the global COVID-19 outbreak, the Ministry of Health continues to provide up-to-date information on the country's status in this regard. Stay tuned to the Ministry of Health's Facebook page for frequent updates. You can also visit the Ministry of Communications on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to ensure that you keep informed. Be safe, my friends, and be blessed.
This was a production of the Ministry of Communications.